Mami, you're so uncomfortable with your body, no? Or conscious ka lang sa pagkanta?
Opo.
Ano, A or B?
Pagkanta po.
Conscious ka sa pagkanta?
Pagkanta.
Alam mo, yung ganda ng katawan mo, sa kanyang mukha mo, pag sinanibang kita ng spirito ko, pag nagising ka at bumalik ka, hindi mo na makikilala katawan mo. Kawawa. Hindi ba, I mean, use it. At saka, open your body some more. Okay? Open your body. Kasi nakaganyan ka pirmi. Ha? Nakaganyan ka pirmi. Yun lang your singing is so much improved, my dear girl. We're so proud of you. Your singing is so much improved. Huwag kang matakot because you're doing the right thing, anak. Okay? You're really, the improvement is tremendous. Just be more comfortable with your body. Okay? Siloso ba si Shivas? Sabi naman niya, okay.
Okay.
Sabi niya, nung naka-mini ka, pwede ka pag-mini-skirt siya, okay lang. Sabi niya, okay lang.
Okay lang kung mag-ganyan, pero iba nga yung sinasabi ko.
Hindi ko naman sinasabi mag-cartwheel ka rin, naka-bikini. No?
Hindi po. Okay lang yung sexy na damit, pero...
No, bumukas ka na kita. Takot. Hindi ba pwedeng gumanyan ka? Di ba? Kasi, sayang hindi. Anak, hindi mo sinasabi maglandi ka on stage. Sinasabi ko lang, mas bukas ba be more comfortable with your body? Okay? You know what surprised me? Larnie is even more comfortable with her body on stage when she's doing the rock song.
Nag-strip na kasi.
Yeah.
Kasi nag-strip eh.
Striptease na po yan.
Huwag naman natin pag-striptease itong may anak. Hindi naman. Hindi, yung Larnie is more comfortable. Yung the way she moves is more comfortable. And I want a little bit more of that sa'yo. Okay? Ihay doesn't mean that if you're married that you have no more right to be a woman.
Ooh, quote of the year.
Di ba? As a matter of fact, if a man is too sure of his woman, the man loses interest in the woman. Right?
Yes.
Give him a bit of insecurity,
Quote of the
Ihay.
year.
Know that he's not the only one who would want you.
Hala.
Diba, Christina? Okay? Alright. Lisa, I didn't see it, pero ang sabi nila, anong comment mo sa, Lizelle?